Again, I'm in my Ford Focus to answer your another question about the error code, and the error code P2872. P2872 means that this code actually is stored in the ECU, but it's about the transmission. Again, about this PowerShift transmission. I wonder why all these videos I make about the Ford Focus, they are almost all about the transmission. The PowerShift transmission is not as good as you may want it to be. So if you get this P2872 code, you may be sure that the problem is with the clutch. The problem is with the clutch. It's sleeping. Usually it happens in these cars at about 100,000 miles, or maybe 90,000 miles. If this happens to your Focus, one thing you can do is to replace this clutch, to buy another clutch. And it may not sound so bad to you until you see the prices for these clutches. The prices are just insane. You will buy it for $1,500 and then you pay another $500 or $600 or $700 for labor, and that's insane for such a vehicle. So yeah, if you get this error code, you just have no other choice. You have to spend this money. But after that, this PowerShift may go another 100,000 miles without serious problems.